When you're trying to work on controlling your wedges, what you want to do is use the Saber like this. You're going to take the end that says light and snap. If you're going to hit just a short chip shot, a short wedge shot, what you do is you just keep your wrists relatively stiff like this, and you don't allow the Saber to waggle back and forth. When you want to add more spin and more distance, that's when you engage your wrists. So what I want you to do is work on figuring out how far you can hit the ball just by moving your club back and forth without using your wrists. As you work with the Saber, you'll be able to feel this because it's square. You'll be able to feel a sensation in your thumb that your thumb is simply not hinging up and down. When you add the pitch element into this, you hit it a little bit further. This is where the timing mechanism in the Saber is going to be very helpful. So what you do is you take the Saber back and you let it drop into your hands. Once it's dropped into your hands here, you simply pivot your body through to the other side. When you pivot your body through to the other side, that timing ball will drop. You don't even have to accelerate your wrists. A lot of times players will take their wrists, they'll put a little hinge on the backswing, and then they'll actively fire their wrists and forearms, and they'll actually cause the club to scoop underneath. That usually causes a fat shot or even a blade. So what I want you to do is set the wrist and then learn to just pivot your body and just let the timing mechanism drop. As you let it drop consistently, what you're going to find is that descent angle is going to have a better pattern, and you're going to be able to flight and control your wedges that much better.